Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are here with me today. And for you, my first time viewers that are joining me for the very first time, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here today. Today guys, I'm making a hearty soup as a request of one of my lovely subscribers. She's such a loyalist and she requested that I made a hearty soup, so I'm making a hearty soup today. Before I go anywhere, I just want to say my mother got engaged last week. So when I say to my mom, congratulations, you know, my mom is this is her second marriage. Her first husband passed away, and this is his second marriage to my mother as well. His wife passed away like 10 years ago, I think. So I just want to say to my mom, I'm so happy that she's no longer going to be alone and God blessed her with someone in her life. So happy engagement. Now guys, I'm making my hearty soup and I just want to show you guys all my ingredients, what I used to make the soup. This soup does not take a long time to make. It's super easy to make, and that's what I love when I make stuff that are super easy. So let me begin by showing you guys all my ingredients. Guys, these are all my ingredients for today. So I have Irish potato. I use one Irish potato, or whatever. You can use 3 or 4, depends on your family size. And I use 1 big onions because I love onions. I use 1 carrot, or you can use 2 carrots or 3 carrots. I use 2 cloves of garlic, and this is a whole thing of fresh parsley here. These are my scallions. You can use the amount of scallions you want. I use 3 pieces. And this is 1 tablespoon of basil. These are my basil that I plant and they grow and I cut them. This is 2 stalks of parsley and lima beans. I'm using my lima beans and my chickpeas. You know, there's so much protein and iron inside of beans and peas. I soak these overnight so they're a lot easier to cook. Within like 20 minutes time they will cook. And sea salt, of course, chicken root, that's also optional, but I'm going to use some chicken root in mine. And turmeric powder. I love turmeric powder for all the health benefits that come with turmeric powder. Also, I like to drink the tea because they also have to keep flatten your stomach and fight against cancer. And my Maggi nougat. This would be the last thing that I put in it to just simmer down for like 2 minutes. I love Maggi nougat. It's a nougat mix. This is a vegetable one. This is all vegetables. So let me begin. as usual, I have to taste my soup. And it looks so delicious and yummy. And let's taste. What meat? Who need meat? This tastes so good. And at the end, you notice that I put some leaves in it. This is fresh peppermint that I add to it because the fresh peppermint bring the flavor out. And if you don't have fresh peppermint, you can use rosemary, fresh rosemary. I love using peppermint. I have peppermint in almost everything. I have it in my salad, my smoothie, and now my soup. I love my fresh peppermint. So if you have that, you can also add it to your soup as well. And this is so a hearty soup. And as I mentioned before, it was one of my subscribers who asked me to make this. And I was like, what the heck, I will just make this. It's so good, it's yummy, it's delicious, and it's really a hearty soup with all these different combinations you have, all these colorful vegetables, because when you're having your veg, you want to have colorful vegetables, and these are all colorful inside here. So just perfect. Now guys, remember that to check my description box below for all the ingredients for this lovely amazing soup and much more. And check out my new website, it's up and running. Go guys, the link to my website is also in my description box. Check it out and let me know if you guys love my website or what. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say in that. This is so good. And if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button because it will make me really happy. And share my video and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment because I enjoy reading your comment and know what you guys are saying. If I need to improve on something, why not? It doesn't matter. I love you guys and I appreciate you for appreciating me. And I'll see you next.